Hey guys, it's Sid from Jacuzzi Hot Tubs of Fargo, and if you're watching this, that means you probably just got a new hot tub. How exciting! In this video, I'm going to explain how to set up your tub, how to balance your water, and familiarize you with the true and at ease system. So we're going to start here. My guys left you a bag like this. In it, you have your startup water care kit, as well as a packet of information. In this packet, your purchase order can be found, as well as your serial number and a couple other things. So make sure that you familiarize yourself with this and then tuck it away somewhere safe so you can refer to it later. Included in your starter pack, you get the water sample jar, hardness control, alkalinity and pH up, alkalinity and pH down, the awesome jet cleaner, foam away, filter cleaner, you get a natural clarifier, as well as the at ease startup kit, a 3-pack of at ease SmartChlor, and 3 packs of Maintain. This should get you through your first 4 months of water care. Once your spa is filled right to below the pillows, you can go ahead and turn it on at the breaker. From here, we're going to follow the instructions of the control panel, and the tub will go through a priming cycle. So you're going to go through each individual set that it has you do and let it go. It goes for about 4 to 5 minutes. Then you can go ahead and set your temperature. While your spa heats up, we're going to figure out what your water actually needs in order to be balanced. If our team took a water sample during delivery, then once I get it at the showroom, I'll run it on our spin disc tester, and this will give us super precise results. It'll tell us exactly what we need to add and how much. Once I run that, I will send it to you and we can discuss it. If we didn't get a sample, that's no problem at all. You can use your at ease test strips that are found in your starter kit. All you have to do to use test strips is grab one, close that so you don't dump them in there by accident. And you want to do this pretty quickly. So I grab my test strip, I go in the middle, give it a good shake, and then compare it to here, trying to match the colors. Either take a picture of it quickly right afterwards and send it to the showroom, or if you would like to interpret it on your own, you can. It's usually a couple capfuls or tablespoons between colors to get it up. So if it's here, for example, I would use about 2 caps or tablespoons. Wait about an hour, see how it looks. But we'll get into all that later. Okay, so once your water is at 80 degrees, then it's time to balance it. You always want to follow the same order, starting with calcium hardness, then alkalinity, then pH, and then your sanitizer. So starting with calcium hardness, this helps stabilize your water and allows your sanitizer to work properly, gives it something to hold on to. Most city water is a little bit low in hardness here, so we usually add calcium booster or hardness increaser to bring it into range. Once that is balanced, then we move on to the alkalinity and pH. These two work together and directly affect the water comfort and stability. If your levels are low, add a couple tablespoons or caps of pH and alkalinity up. If they're high, do the opposite, add some down. Once we have these in check, then we're going to go ahead and grab our at ease starter kit. In the starter kit, you get a silver SmartChlor cartridge, you get a pack of Jumpstart, you get a thing of test strips, and the blue at ease mineral pack. Anytime that you add something, you want to make sure you leave the cover open, run the jets for a full cycle, which is about 20 to 30 minutes, and that really lets it circulate before moving on to the next step. So when you do this, wait 20 minutes with the jets on, cover off, adjust your alkalinity, adjust your pH, 20 minutes, jets on, cover off, and then do this, same thing. 20 minutes, cover open, jets off, every time. Your spa is built with Jacuzzi's True Water system. It works in tandem with the Frog at Ease system. True Water works by injecting tiny little nanobubbles into the water. Those nanobubbles grab onto the contaminants, they clean them up, and then they gas off. It is a tried and true system. It's been used in larger bodies of water. Jacuzzi saw that technology, made it smaller. When you layer the at ease system with Jacuzzi's True Water, it handles the sanitization automatically in a slow releasing way. The True Water system keeps your water moving and constantly cycling through, constantly being filtered, constantly being cleaned, and then the at ease goes in and sweeps it up, finishes the job. Once we have our water balanced, then we can set up the at ease system. We're going to start by adding 1 pack of Jumpstart, which helps kind of kick it into action. And we are going to install the cartridges on the filter compartment. So it'll look different depending on what tub you have. This is the one that I have here, but essentially it's the same thing. These little guys just snap into place. You want to make sure that the blue is set to a 7 and the silver is set to a 4, 5, or 6, depending on how big your tub is. So if your tub is 350 gallons or less, we recommend doing a 4. If it is 350 gallons or more, a 5 or a 6 will be best for you. When you get these clipped in, you're gonna stick this on the filter that is closest to the control panel. If you have a J5 series, then you will clip it onto the side furthest from the control panel. There's like a little spot designated for it right in there. The silver cartridge will last up to a month. If your alkalinity and pH are out of the ideal range, then it'll eat up the sanitizer a little bit quicker. So make sure that you keep an eye on those. And the blue cartridge will last 4 months. This one, when it's empty, you can shake it and not hear anything. This one, the particles in here don't fully dissolve. So this one will always sound like there's something in it. But I usually write the date on them, and then you can remember how long they've been in. Another way that you can tell if your SmartChlor or the silver cartridge needs to be replaced is by dipping the test strip in. On here, if it is purple, then it's good. You've got the SmartChlor in there. If it is white or a lighter shade, then you know it's time to switch it or at least check it. If you take it out, drain it and shake it, and it sounds like there's a little bit left in there, you can go ahead and open the dial all the way open and let it kind of dissolve the rest out, and then go ahead and switch it probably within a day or so. Each week, spend about 10 minutes checking on your water. Look at your sanitizer and make sure that everything is in range. Once a month, you want to clean or rotate your filters with a chemical filter cleaner. Replace your silver cartridge and add a maintain shock packet. Every 4 months, you'll want to replace the whole Addy's kit. So you'll replace the blue cartridge and a silver cartridge, and you will add the jump start. Twice a year, we want you to purge your hot tub. I have a YouTube video explaining this. This will get all the biofilm out and will make your tub feel brand new again. It also is a great time to replace your Pro Clarity microfilter if your tub has it. Most issues in your tub come down to 3 things: your filters, your sanitizer, and your weekly maintenance routine. Do you have cloudy water? Check your sanitizer level and shock if needed. Smelly water? Same thing. Plus, check your filters. Had a party in the spa? Shock it and run a full jet cycle with the lid off. When in doubt, just bring in a water sample and we'll run it for you. If you want tips, tricks, and reminders about sales and other things going on here at Jacuzzi Hot Tubs of Fargo, follow us on social media. If you want some in-depth tutorials and how-to videos on taking care of your tub, follow us on YouTube. Thank you. We're always here if you need us. If you liked our video and would like to subscribe to our YouTube channel, you can click right here. If you want to watch more videos right now, you can click right here. I hope you have a great rest of your day and happy hot tubbing. Bye.